guys. I don't know if it's you, but 4 guys.
This is on a double X runway. No landing on this runway, and yet they land. Illegal. This is an illegal landing that double X could be clearly seen. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable.
You damaged our runway at the end, too. This is this from our left.
Also, they have damaged our runway with skid marks all over it. Damaging our runway can be expensive. This is just unbelievable. Cannot let this happen. The double X runway, illegal to land a full-size helicopter here. The one in the cap is one of the pilots. The one with sunglasses on is my dad, confronting them. This is just amazing. Tail number N454SH. Tail number N454SH. Tail number N454SH. Unbelievable. Wow.